a quick astrology tip that I wanted to share with you. And if you're wondering why I am in my car, the reason is aesthetics. That's all. Yeah, so I just wanted to talk about 7th Lord and how it deviates directly from BPHS का chapter on 7th house, and यहाँ पर special rule apply होता है जो कि obviously again BPHS में है. So for a second let's talk about 7th house and 7th house Lord specifically. And अगर वो कोई positive planet है और वो 7th house में ही present है, then it creates a lot of problems. अगर कोई negative planet ही 7th Lord है, such as मंगल, Saturn या सूर्य, we have seen मंगल अगर 7th Lord होकर 7th में present है, it will create problems, mind you. And सूर्य present है, again problems, yes definitely. And अगर Saturn है long distance, problems देगा, इतनी ज्यादा नहीं जितना मंगल या सूर्य देते हैं, बट लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप प्रोवाइड कर सकता है, विच इज एन अमेजिंग थिंग. अगर सैटर्न का केतु प्रेजेंट है, इवन मोर इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप्स. सो आई वुड से मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट प्लैनेट्स अगर 7th हाउस में प्रेजेंट है 7th लॉर्ड होकर, तो दैट इज वीनस, क्रेजी, जुपिटर, then Surya, then Mangal, and then Saturn technically. Now this is counterintuitive because BPHS says कि 7th Lord अगर 7th में है तो it gives amazing relationship, a very loving partner and all of that thing. Now all this I'm talking about, जो ये सारी बातें कर रहा हूँ, it is based on after reading hundreds and hundreds of charts. Literally, I have like these many charts that I have read and I've talked to people constantly and I've analyzed the 7th house and 7th Lord and everything. Like we've gone through a lot, and then I'm coming with this tip. So वो थोड़ी शास्त्रों से different है, right? And I have many more tips like that, like which I've analyzed. So if you want to know about that in this conversational way, in this casual setting, follow astrologer. I have seen so many clients come to me and they are like, we are going through a lot. And when you look in their chart, all you find is 7th Lord, 7th house में present है, and it is creating multiple fuckeries in their life, multiple problems in their life. A quick tip though, अगर शनि 7th Lord है और 7th में present है, तो long distance relationships you'll see a lot. जिन के long distance relationships हैं, and if you have friends, family, anyone who is going through a long distance, just see उनके 7th house में Saturn या फिर केतु, इनमें से कोई present है या फिर 7th Lord को 7th house को किसी तरह से impact कर रहा है कि नहीं.